3 years ago when we started this adventure, we went somewhere special that you had been at before that I had never been. Do you recall what that was?
So many places. Was it the Riverwalk in San Antonio?
Oh my God, it was the Riverwalk in San Antonio.
Bet you'll never guess where we're at.
This time we decided we would come down here at night and check it out, and guess what? What does it have, Danette?
It has Christmas lights.
And water!
Oh, and water.
So we're gonna check this out, have some fun, eat some food. Let's go. Well, aside from it being nighttime right now, this place really looks familiar to me, and I can't quite put a finger on it, Danette. Could you help me out?
Does it look familiar?
It looks familiar.
It looks totally different to me.
Does it?
Yes, it does.
What makes it look so different?
There's water.
The fact that there's water and nightlife?
There's people. I think last time we were the only one who didn't get the memo, right? Like we were like, wow, it's really dead.
Exactly. We had no idea. And if you didn't catch that video, we'll put it in the upper right hand corner so you can watch that video of how we came here during the day, and there was no water at the San Antonio Riverwalk. There's water now. So we're gonna eat at the same restaurant we ate at last time, which is Casa Rio. Food was excellent. I don't see a mariachi band here, unfortunately. Doesn't look like we're gonna get serenaded this time.
Ew.
All right, so for all the foodie junkies out there, this is pretty much what we ate last time we came through here.
There we go.
Because it was so damn good, we're doing it again.
Tex-Mex.
Thank you to the mariachi duo. As you can see, the San Antonio Riverwalk is extremely beautiful this time of year. We came across some more holiday cheer on one of the boats. We hope you enjoy.